Okay guys, we got 2 coffee makers. We're going to see what's inside. This garbage. Take a look inside. You can see that extra cord goes way up here. Maybe you can't. Yeah, there we go. See how that cord wraps all the way around? That's about 6-7 inches of cord inside these. So I'm going to be cutting that cord. Taking this little piece out with a screwdriver. And I'll cut here. I'll get this whole cord out. Before I start doing that, guys, it's freezing here, man. It's going to be so freaking cold. It's not funny. These screws are a Y type of screw. So I just had to bust the bottom out. Let's see why this should. No, okay, yeah, I'm going to take these 2 screws. So, let's get my snips over here. Cut. Oh, there we go. Try to get both of them right there. Okay. Oop, didn't get them all. There we go. I should just pull it right out. There we go. Oh yeah, cool. There's our cord. I think the rest of this, you take this top piece off here. This piece right here, it comes off. There's 2 sections there, if you can see that. Okay, this top piece in the trash, the bottom piece in shred, in the tin pile. All this goes in the tin pile. This is aluminum, but it's so hard. There's black stuff that goes all the way around in here. It's so hard to get it out that it's not even worth it. I don't think these boards are any good here either, so there ain't gonna be much on there, that's for sure. The other ones, see if we could just break it right off. Yeah, same thing, 2 screws. This should all be copper if it's going into there, I believe. Yeah, that's a weird one. Goes to the switch. So I'm just gonna cut. Just gonna cut that right there. To avoid the switch, I might keep that switch for something. And now I'm gonna get my screwdriver and take these 2 things off right here. The other one was white, this is black. Okay, so our cord should just pop right out. There we go. Now we got 2 cords. One here and here. And here it's the same thing. Same thing. You got screws right there. Take them screws out. Break this in half. Cut these hoses. Top piece goes in the trash or a plastic recyclable somewhere, you know, recyclable plastic, you know, and the rest just goes in the tin shred, the metal. That's it. I ain't messing with any further than that, guys. This here. In the garbage. I got bits and pieces of the lamp I took apart. I already tossed that cord in the dumpster with another cord from something else. So yeah, we got a couple cords, guys. There we go. So there you have it, guys. One was a Mr. Coffee, one is a Black & Decker. Here's that aluminum from that window frame we found trash picking. And this is all part of the lamps and stuff in here yet too. Here's the aluminum corners. There's 4 of these. They go to that window frame with the screen. Various pieces of tin shred in here. Got these. There's some brass in here I might try to pull out and tin shred that too. I'll keep the brass though. Hey, my winner fell down. That's because scrappers are winners. It's freezing out here. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.